Hello everyone, a happy Sunday wherever you're tuning in. You're welcome back to Chess with Devant, and today I've brought you another interesting puzzle. And this is white to play and mate black in 2 moves. But of course, in a real game situation, of course, white is winning. There's no doubt. And there are many ways you can actually mate black. But we just want to try and see if we can challenge our endgame capabilities and see if we could find a mate in two. It's just a puzzle because in real game situations, you don't really have to find the mate in two. There are many ways you can mate, you can win this game. For example, you just capture the queen and double up the rooks and win the game, right? But then we just want to see if we could find the mate in two. So let's try to see if we could find it. Pause the video if you don't mind and try to find it, then come back when you found it. Then we solve it together in case you haven't found it. Good luck. Alright, so did you find the mate in two? Please let us know in the comment section what you found. Don't forget to like the video and also subscribe if you're tuning in for the first time. Okay, so let's try to solve it. One thing you have to know is that if you thought about capturing the queen, for example, queen captures queen as the first move, then you're totally wrong because the very many squares the black king can run to, and there's no mate in the next move. There are still many squares the black king can run to, right? So capturing the queen using our queen doesn't work. And it's the same thing even if you capture using the rook. The very many squares the black king can run to, and there's no mate in the next move. So capturing the queen is actually not the move we are looking for. Though in a real game situation, it would be the best move. Just capture the queen and double up the rooks and win the game, right? So we just want to see if we could find the mate in two, and capturing the queen is not the move we are looking for. So you could think of rook g5. The idea is that if black captures our queen, then we get to mate from the h file, right? But then black also has a way he can refuse this, because if you play rook g5, black can play king h2. Now how do you mate in the next move? First of all, you can no longer play rook to the g file, this rook to the g file, because now it's pinned by this queen, right? So the only way you can deliver a mate is by playing queen to h8, right? But then the problem is when you play queen to h8, then there's this queen that can block you, and you have to first capture it, and then you get the mate. So that's a mate, but that's a mate in three. Remember, the puzzle is mate in two. So literally that doesn't get us the win. And let's try to play with the other rook. So if we tried to do the same concept but then using the other rook, do we get the solution? Let's see. If you played rook g6, do you get to find the solution? Do you get to mate? Now the idea is this time round this queen can't access the h file, right? The h7, sorry. The queen can't access it. So that means when we mate from here, we get the mate, and there's no way black can avoid it, because first of all, he's pinned, right now he's pinned. And if he dares, let me try to solve it while I'm explaining. So for example, if black decides to capture the queen, then this is a mate. And then we said the h7 is blocked by this rook, right? So if black decides to play h2 like before, then that's a mate, and this time around this queen can't block the mate, so there's no, by all means, that's a mate in two. So if you found the solution, please let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to like the video. That was the solution for the puzzle. And until next video, have a good day, enjoy your Sunday, and a very happy week. Goodbye.